2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Hey guys, welcome again to the Mikado Detail Hunter detailing page. So this video I actually show you how you can actually put a layer of protection on your windscreen that actually helps repel the water off and it assists with your wipers. I've seen many a times where people are riding with the wipers on full blast and nothing's happening, and then you can see, you know, the scare or the fright in the eyes because they're staring through the windscreen and nothing's happening with the wipers on full blast. So what we're going to make use of with today's video is the winds. This is actually the most common and readily available windscreen prep that you can actually find on the market at the moment. You'll be hard pressed to find something else. So, and this retails for about, I think, between 60 and 80 bucks, depending on where you buy it. The other one is the Turtle Wax Clear View Rain Repellent. You guys can see over there. So it works on the same premise as this, just a different company. They're optional, so you guys don't need to do this. But if you can, I would advise you. So I make use of a clay bar. And all that this does, it just goes in and actually just removes those last little bit of contaminants that's actually etched into the glass. So you're going to make use of an instant detailer like I did on my other video with the bird dropping removal. And then to finish off a while in part with that is to make use of a good quality ammonia free glass cleaner. So I made use of the Shield waterless auto glass cleaner. Like I said, make use of any glass cleaner, but my preferred one is something that's ammonia free. That's safe on tinted windows. Obviously this doesn't apply to a windscreen because windscreens can't have any tint on, but you're going to make use of this on the entire windows on your car. So if you've got tint, ammonia free is the way to go. Very easy. You'll actually see at the end of the video how the water actually runs off, and once you do this and you actually drive with this weather right now, you will actually see what an asset this is to anyone and everyone that has cars. So enjoy the video. As usual guys, you know, all us YouTubers, if you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. Please guys, once again, enjoy. And comment in the comment section if you have any questions, if you want to know something. I will also put the links to all the products I used in the comment section as well. Cheers guys.
Falling. Oh, I fought so hard for you. Falling. Oh, I fought so hard for you. You keep me in the middle. You keep me up all night. You solve my every riddle.
So guys, as you can see, the water on the left hand side where we applied the wind see-through, the water is running extremely fast, wanting to get itself off the windscreen, whereas the water on the right hand side of the windscreen is running off very slowly, it's reacting extremely differently to the side where we applied the wind see-through. And I'm just using different water spray patterns and different angles just to show you the difference between the two sides. So yeah guys, as you can see, once again, that's a heavy fall of water. Water on the left hand side runs off immediately. Water on the right hand side, very slowly. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I'm sure you can see it was an easy application, easy to apply, easy to remove. Just as a side note, I applied 2 coats. So I applied the first coat, I waited about 4 to 5 minutes for the product to become a bit hazy, and then I applied the second coat and I waited another 4 to 5 minutes to remove it. Thereafter you're done and you can be on your way again, and then you know that your windscreen is now coated, especially with us in Gauteng experiencing all this rain, and we will be experiencing this rain for the next 3 to 4 months. So this is a valuable asset for your car, and just to make sure that your vision is not obscured, is not you're not fighting to see where you're driving. So this really does assist. It really will help make sure that your vision is not impaired because of the rain. Once again guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the page, and if you have any questions, once again, in the comment section, please put any questions or comments or statements. I will attend to them, and I'll also put the links up for all the products. Thanks guys for watching, I appreciate it. Cheers.